Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really quick Pennywise tutorial for you guys. So to start out, we are going to be painting our whole face white with Snazaroo white water activated face paint. I had to do 2 layers of this to make sure it was nice and opaque and not streaky. So you may have to do that unless you're using a cream paint, and then by all means you probably only have to do 1 layer. For the eyes, I am using the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette. I'm going in with the color Like It's Hot first, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease with a blending brush. This one is from Delium Tools. And as you can see, it is not very neat. It is not very clean. It is not super, smoked out or anything like that. I just put this kind of all over, so it took up the majority of my lid, my crease, and right up to the brow bone because I want a big, dramatic red lid look. Once we have that all laid down, I'm taking the color Frosé from the same palette, and we're going to use that to blend the edges a bit. This is kind of like a pastel red, if you can call it that, because it's not really a pink, it's still red. But I'm putting that right underneath my eyebrows and bringing it all the way into the nose and out to the end of my eye, just like we did with Like It's Hot. This is big, dramatic clown makeup, so we want it to be big and colorful. Now with my finger, I'm going in with the color Baywatch. It is a foiled shadow, and I am just packing that on the lid for a little bit of sparkle and glamour and shine. Of course, you can do Pennywise makeup however you want to be movie accurate. I believe the eyes are just kind of like white with maybe like some kohl eyeliner around it, but I want it to be different, so we're doing a red look. Now going in with the color Red Bottoms, I'm just taking this on a flat top brush and I am basically creating a wing on the bottom part of my eye. I did this in the Loki tutorial that I did yesterday, but I'm just packing the shadow on underneath and smudging it out and then bringing it all the way out to the end of my eye so it creates like a double layered wing, if you will. But you just want to smudge this out, and of course you could add a little black in there too if you want to darken your eyes up more, but I thought this was perfect with the deep red. Now I'm going in with a black gel eyeliner and just doing a really simple normal wing. Somewhere along the line I either didn't record or it cut me off or something. I did not put lashes on with this look. I just did mascara, and I used the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. It's one of my favorites. It gives you big, wonderful, beautiful lashes, and I used the blackest black color. So if you see my lashes and you want to know what I used, that is what I used. So now for the eyebrows, I'm going in with the ColourPop liquid liner. Is the red one. I don't even know if they make this anymore because it didn't get great reviews, but that is what I was using. You can also use red paint, red shadow, whatever to fill in your eyebrows, but I want them to be red, so I use this liquid eyeliner, and I just did really easy little strokes and created a really long kind of arching brow, so that was very dramatic and kind of matched up with the Pennywise red lines. And speaking of those red lines, I took them from the corner of my mouth, brought them out, and then you just kind of scoop them up towards the middle of your eye, and it goes all the way up to the very bottom of your eye and then through your brow at the top. So you want to make sure that you drag it all the way up and all the way down to your mouth to make sure that it's connected the way it's supposed to be. And I just used red paint for this. Now this time I didn't have to take the white paint off in order to get it to remain red. I don't know if the pigment in the red is just strong enough that I didn't have to change it, or if the thickness of the red paint was just the right consistency. But sometimes you do have to take off the white paint wherever you're doing the red, depending on what kind of products you're using. Also, if you're doing this with cream paint, I would definitely say set it all with some sort of powder and like red eyeshadow just to make sure it doesn't move on you. And for my lips, I used a dark red lip pencil. This one I believe is Copenhagen from NYX. It's just a nice dark shade and gives us a little bit of differentiation between our lips and the detail lines we just did. And then for my lips, I use this really bright cherry red color from ColourPop. This is one of the Hello Kitty ones, I think it's called Red Ribbon, maybe, or no, this one's called KT, I'm pretty sure. It's one of the ones from the Hello Kitty collection. That's all I know. But it's one of my very favorite reds, and it applies like a dream, and it stays in place. It is just nice and matte, so we love it. And then this is my costume, is the Ruby's Pennywise one, and I just threw on a little bit of red shadow for a clown nose. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I will see you tomorrow for another one. Bye.